Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will dig more into string. So let's get started. Now friends, for example, we create a variable by the name of name and the content is steady, easy. Pretty simple, right? And now we can check the length of this string by taking help of the length method. So let me pass name to this method and this will give us 10. Now in here, if we count, there are 5 characters under the word steady and there are 4 characters under the word easy. If we sum 5 plus 4, it will be 9. But space is also counted as a character. So under string, any character would be counted as a part of the string, including any special character or any space, right? So this space is also a character in the string. As a result, the length of the entire string is 10. Alright, now moving forward, for example, we would like to extract a specific character from this string. Then how we can do that? Very simple. It would be like name of, for example, we would like to extract S, the first character, then it would be name of 1. Is it so? Let me run this program. It will return T. The reason being, a string is nothing but an array of characters and it will always start from 0. So it would be like name of 0, right? And this will return S. Alright, now moving forward, for example, we would like to extract this Y from this string. Then how we will do it? Definitely starting from 0, the index of this Y would be 5. Is it so? Well, it would be 4 starting from 0 and this will definitely show up Y. But for example, we would like to print the last Y, and what should be the index of the last Y? The length is 10. So is it name of 10? Let me show you. Well, it is not. It will say that it is index out of range. Well, when it comes to the length, the last character would be always length minus 1. So it would be like name of 9. That will give us Y, the last Y. Till now, everything is good. Now finally, let us try to understand the more convenient and more advanced way of handling a string or accessing a string. Now when it comes to Python, it also supports reverse indexing, right? So let me show you what do we mean by this. For example, the index of S, the index of the character S, the first letter in this string is a 0. But what happens if I pass -1? This will go in the reverse direction and it will display the last character in the string. So that is the advantage. That is definitely an interesting thing. So it would be like -1 and this will display Y. Now friends, we can go further than this -1. Definitely our string is steady, easy, and for example, we would like to print the third last character on our output. So how we will do that? Very simple. We will go -3, right? So this will give us the third last character from our string. So here is the output. Alright, so now finally let us check couple of more things. For example, we would like to search couple of things in this string. Very simple use case. How we can do that? In here, we have this method find and we can pass a string in here. The string could be passed in using single quote or double quote. That is fairly possible. For example, we wish to search for U. The index of U is something which we know, which is 2. And this will return 2. So this will definitely return the index of U. Likewise, for example, we wish to search UD, for example, then this will give us the index of U again. This will give the index of the first search character. Here we go. And now for example I search ABC. Now ABC is not present, then it will return -1. This means that this particular what we say string is not found under this variable name. This is cool. Apart from that, this find can also take more parameters. These parameters are, let me show you, find, the search criteria, then the start value, then the end value, right? So the start value is usually 0, means we will start searching from right from the beginning, right? And the end would be the length of the string. So it could be like length of name, right? Or we can directly pass on 10, even that is possible. And for example, we search EA, right? And this will work perfectly. This will give the index of E from this study easy string. Now we can modify this a little. For example, we would like to search Y from the word easy, right? So we can modify things a little. We would like to search the first occurrence of Y from the word easy, which is firstly occurred under your string. So first of all, let me make some modification. So in here, let me modify this text as this is study easy. Wow, easy tutorials, right? Now it is fairly long string. Now we would like to search for Y in this word easy. That is the task. How we will do it? It would be like name dot find what we would like to find, Y. But now we would like to start searching from the index where this easy occurs. So this is slightly complicated. No problem. In here we will type in name dot find easy, and for the end value we won't be worrying about it. And if we run this, it will give us a 17. 17 is nothing but the index of this Y. So this is how we can deal with it. This is kind of little complicated example, this one, but using these find method, using these options of start, stop, things like that, we can do plenty of stuff. All right, now finally let us check a couple of more things which we can do under Python. All right, so in here, for example, we would like to print the content of name. We can simply use name and it will display the content. But for example, we do like this, then what would be the output? Can you guess it? Let me show you. There would be a syntax error. There is no value passed under this square bracket, but in here, for example, I pass colon colon, then what would be the output? Let me show you. Indeed, we would be able to display the text. This means that these colon colon are perfectly valid syntax, right? Now what are these colon colon? When it comes to string, we can slice it, we can start, stop, and we can step it. What are exactly these things? When it comes to start, it is the starting value, starting index value from where we would like to display the string. Then we have the stop value, where we would like to stop displaying the string, and then we have the step value, right? So this will definitely give us an error, but don't worry, this is sake of convenience. Now let me show you how this works. For example, we wish to start from this word study, right? How we can do that? We can either give an index directly, which could be like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So the index of S is 8, I suppose. So I can type in 8 colon in here. For example, we wish to stop displaying things after wow. How we can do that? can we execute a method in here? Can we do like this? Find wow. Can we do this? Well, we can. So start value is 8, so we are displaying things from here, and end value is wow, right? So we are passing the index by taking help of this method, and we are simply displaying steady easy comma, and then there is also a space. This is nice, right? So this is how we can handle things. Now finally, let me display step. So in here, let me copy this. Let me get rid of the starting value. Then again, let me use double colon, and now let me give the stepping value as 1. This will change nothing. Step is what? That in a iteration, what character we will display. What is the iteration value? If the iteration value is 1, then per iteration, it will display 1 character. It will display 1 character. Now, what is this iteration? Let me show you. If, for example, I pass on 2, then starting from beginning, it will skip the next character. It will start displaying the alternate characters in the string. Here we go. So this will skip half of the words, like Thanos, right? So this will skip half of the words, and it will display the alternate words. This is how we can step things. For example, I step with 3, then the third character, right from the beginning, only the third characters will be displayed, right? So in here, this is the way the step does work. Now let me also show you a interesting trick. So in here, for example, the step is -1. Then what happens is it will reverse the order. We will go the reverse order while displaying the characters. So this will show us the entire string, but in the reverse order. Likewise, we can again do the same, and if we pass -2, then half of the characters will be skipped and the characters would be displayed in the reverse order. So you can easily make out that how matured Python is, and using these small little things we can do lot of stuff. Python gives us a lot of flexibility when it comes to a string, or to be very honest, when it comes to anything. Python is very matured and a high level language, and definitely gives us tons of option. Alright, so that's it for today. I suppose you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.